sobrang saya namin kasi hindi namin akalain na aabot, ako especially, kasi sikat of course.
Pansin niyo rin ba
had a lot
ang
of
mga
box
titig ni
office
Kath kay
already,
Alden?
Pero parang I'm really excited for them to see this film. Moreover, parang it's our first time. It's really the story. We fell in love with it. We believed in it. And makikita nila yon as they watch Hello, Love, Goodbye in cinema sa July
Alden,
30.
mangiyak-iyak ka kanina.
Oo, yung
sinabi
yakap
ni
mo.
Direk Cathy na hindi ka lang pala marunong magaling ako. Hindi ka actor.
Coming from Direk Cathy, parang kung si Direk Cathy magsabi nun, parang talagang sobra akong na-move, na-touch na parang hindi ko akalain na ganun yung magiging effect ko kay Direk while doing this film. And siguro, ganun naman talaga eh, parang you just be yourself and let other people speak for you. So nagpapasalamat ako siyempre kay Kath for accepting me and for Direk Cathy and for Star Cinema for considering me to do this film. And wala, so
Don't consider